Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
And I'm challenging other local governments that are here who are politicians. Behave like kelechi. Behave like kelechi. Not, you see me, you are good. You got my back, you abuse me. I say, one guy. As I talk like this, shege. So I did this purposely to let people know that we see what is going on. Not hearing alone, you can hear wrong thing. But I see what is going on. And all those people who have shown that they can stand by you any day, I will never put shame to them. I will never abandon them. Now, the special guest of honor, why did I bring you today? I bring you because as one of our leaders who has been Senior President, Secretary BOT, who stay in Abuja, go back to your state in Abia, very close to us. I say no. You hear a lot of 3Ds. There's every time they're on television, what they are showing is not true. Have you seen the project? I've not mentioned the state in the southeast where they called a company, they took the logo of the company and they started showing projects of the state. Even when the company has not been awarded the job, they showed the company that the company was asphalting. Do you understand what I'm saying? When even the company had not even gotten the contract, they took the picture of the company, asphalting in Port Harcourt, and put it in their own, that the company was doing job in their state. So, some of you, leaders of the party, come and see all these things you have been hearing. Rivers State is a construction site. Mr. Project, Mr. This, Mr. This. Let us go and see. Seeing is what? Believing. And that is why we say, look, whether you like it or not, those people who say they don't like what PDP is doing, you have no choice to like the party because you can see what the party is doing. Today you have come. You will be the one that will commission this. We flag off, we commission. Yesterday we flagged up. Today we are commissioning. Right? Tomorrow we are flagging up 52 hectares of land to sand field for the people of Abonima. On Thursday,
carry go, yes, we can carry go, yes, we can carry go.
On Thursday, we'll be in Calabari to flag up the Trans-Calabari Road. On Friday, we'll be in Port Harcourt to commission. So we are not only commission, we are also flagging up so that throughout this year, till next year, it is commissioning.
We get, my governor.
So whether their party like it or not, you have no choice. We are in charge. We are in charge. Somebody was bragging yesterday that there will be rain here in Omuma, that they will not allow us to commission today project. I laughed. I called Kelechi by 12. I said, call the person, tell him that, look, why are you worrying yourself? If you go and cause rain, thunder fires you. It's not my business. So I don't want Rivers State to our population to come down. Don't go and die because you don't want people to watch that we are commissioning. And look at it now. Look at the way they are. Look at the way they are. Don't fight anybody that God has blessed you. Do you understand? Don't fight the state that God has blessed. People are talking about insecurity. We are talking about commissioning and flagging of projects. Is it easy? If it is easy, let them try it. If you're a rivers man, anywhere you go, raise your shoulder high and say that you're a rivers man and woman. Rivers man, are you not proud? Are you not proud of your state? They can merely jealous us, but they cannot do anything. Do you understand me? We're a different class. We're not at the same level. Do you understand? Are we at the same level with them? We are not at the same level. So don't, what you don't know, come and ask us. We'll tell you how it is done. If you jealous us, then you suffer. Maybe so. Now, Omuma people, let me tell you one thing. I'll ask Kelechi here to make a request.
She's a mama born them, they never sabi. I said she's a papa born them, they never sabi. I said she's a mama born them, they never sabi. Oh, we can show them the way.
Let him make a request of what he wants for the people of Omuma. Because, you know, my tenure is almost coming to an end. So I have to come back to thank you. But I'm coming back, let him telling me what Omuma people want. I will do it for the people of Omuma Local Government. Because he has shown commitment, he has shown that he's willing to help his people. He's not talking about his personal pocket. He's talking about his people's problem, how to solve his people's problem. So Kelechi, one minute, tell us what you want. Tell us what Omuma people want.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, before I say what I want,
No, I don't want anything. Say what you want.
I will say thank you, sir. Because the only way to ask for more is to say thank you for the one you have done. So thank you for the one you have done. Your Excellency, as I will usually tell you, the only thing we ask from you is the road from Omakali to Iberi. Once that road is done for us, you have done everything you have done for us. Thank you and God bless you.
Is that what you want? Is that what you want?
I see the sweet, I see the pain, I see the pain, them you go the sweet. I see the sweet, I see the pain, I see the pain, them you go the sweet. I see the sweet, I see the sweet, you go the pain, I see the pain, them you go the sweet. Say that they both faithful, yeah, that would that they both faithful, yeah, we are busy body, yeah. Yes, we can do. Say that they both do their festival, that they both faithful, that would that they both faithful, yeah, we are busy body, yeah. Yes, we can do. Say we can come back and do come to say, hele answer.
Kankano, Omuma Kankano, Eche Kankano, Rienu. Thank you. God bless all the people of Omuma for having done well for the People's Democratic Party.